hininga. Push. Push pa.
Come on,
Push.
malapit na.
Okay.
Relax.
Relax ka na. Relax ka
Open mo
na.
yung legs mo para makalabas yung baby.
Ano mo yung legs? Ibaba mo, ibaba mo, ibaba mo. Pull down.
Minsan kasi yung wet cloth na yung
Ay.
face.
Pababa, pababa kasi. Wipe the
151.
Wipe the mouth.
Change.
Okay. Yung abdomen ng mommy. Skin to skin dapat. Skin to skin dapat. Okay. Ay, naiipit yung
Yan po yung baby niyo.
Careful. Careful the cord. Okay. Don't wipe the burnies.
Yes, ma'am.
Na-dry na. There's a cover with a dry cloth ha. Bonnet. You. Okay. And then let the mother, pwedeng i-hold ng mom. Pwede ganun lang mom. Yung hand.
Mommy.
Ganyan.